Hey there, beautiful people. I'm so excited to see you here again on my channel. I'm back with another video. Today we're finally doing another video of this year. I'm super excited for 2025. I am trying to create so many new inspiring videos. I'm trying to test new things out. So you'll be seeing a lot of new things coming in the next few months. But yeah, today we're doing something really interesting, which is trying out Billie Eilish's makeup look that has been viral the past month. I have been seeing it everywhere. Everyone is trying it out and I'm just super excited to give it a try. So as you can see right behind me is the inspo of this video. This is the Queen Billie Eilish herself. I think we have kind of similar features. Not really though, of course. We're definitely very different in looks, but I definitely think we have similar features, which is brighter eyes and dark hair. Well, hair is new to me. Well, I'm actually naturally brunette. In September, I have experimented and dyed my hair blonde. And now I am back to my roots and I'm actually enjoying it for now. I'll be trying out this makeup that she has posted on her TikTok and I think it is very unique the way she applies everything. I may be doing some things differently, but overall, we're going to be following this queen and we'll see what we come up with. Okay, first things first, she starts with doing her skincare. She doesn't show what products she is using, but I'm definitely sure that she is using some skincare products. I believe she probably added in some glowy aspects, some cream, some sunscreen, so that's what I'll be doing. I'll start off with a serum, which right now I'm using this Serum Kind and I'm actually obsessed. I have worked with them, but guys, this serum is super cool. I've actually loved putting this under my makeup right now, and this is my current favorite. This is the Ghaja Charging Drop, and they have so many other ones like this one that I haven't got a chance to try. This one is for youth and glow. Super energizing, and I'm just so excited to try them all. So yeah, we'll start off with a serum. I'll just add in a little bit all over my face and then we'll finish everything off with SPF. Her skin also looks very hydrated, so this is my goal. I am looking to have very nice looking and healthy looking skin. Alright, I just watched the video back again and I'm sure she showed the products that she used on her face before applying any makeup, but she just did it so briefly like this and I really cannot tell what product it is, but it's okay. So this one is Keyth sunscreen or desert sun serum with SPF 50. Look how glowy. Just love applying sunscreen because it gives me that beautiful glow. Whenever people ask me what I have like glowy under my skin or under my makeup, or like when I upload my videos, I usually have my skip prep already done. This is what I do. I purposely just go ahead. I specifically go ahead and just add in a cream, a serum, and then top it off with sunscreen. Best combination ever. It will give you the best glowy skin and you would not regret the glow. It's so pretty. All right, next thing she does is she cleans off her eyes with a Q-tip. I'm really scared to do that, honestly, but we'll go ahead and do that. I have actually never done that before. This is very scary. Let me put it in front of the mirror so that I don't poke my eye. I guess this is just to dry out the area as well so that the eyeliner that she puts on is not as watery. Her eyeliner, she uses Maybelline Tattoo Studio liner and I believe it's gel. No, this is a pencil. So yeah, I'll go ahead and use a pencil. Right now I have this one by Wonder Skin. This is Longwear eyeliner and the shade is Gold Mocha. I'll go ahead and lightly add it onto my waterline. I don't like to do that, but for the sake of this video, we'll go ahead and do it. We'll see. Sometimes my eyes look a little bit too closed if I go ahead and do that because I have hooded eye, but let's see what we come up with. I don't know how she's doing this. She is a professional. I think I need a darker color because this one has golden specks and it kind of looks shiny, so maybe not this one. I'll go ahead and use this one. This is Brown Sugar. Okay, let's do the top lid. I think I look ridiculous doing this. It's so hard for me. It tickles my eye like really hardly, so I really want to blink. Alright, so you guys, I have changed the view of the camera and I actually fixed up my eyebrows just a little bit because I was not happy with how were they looking. I'm still not really happy, but whatever. I'm trying to match as much as possible. She has really nice and bushy brows. My eyebrows are in the process of growing out, so I have tried to make them a little bit more bushier than they are. But yeah, basically right now I'm actually just finishing off my eyes with the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner. And this one is just a little bit more pigmented than the ones that I have used prior. And it's a little more darker, so I'm just finishing it all with this. Now she does do a winged line, so that's what we're going to do. She does like a straight line like next to her eye. So we'll just do a line like where eye cuts. Billie Eilish, our queen, she has a really specific eye shape, and specifically they're like really big. So right now my eyes kind of look a little bit weird. I don't like having like black waterline. I usually like to brighten that area, but it would probably look nice for a different occasion, like Arabian makeup. They usually do black waterline. It accentuates their big brown eyes. In this case, she has bleak blue eyes. And it's quite pretty. This one just makes my eyes a little bit more tiny. To help my eye shape a little bit, I'm drawing in the eyeliner like really close to my waterline, a little bit further down, just to help my eye shape. But if you don't need to do that, don't worry about this step. Now she goes in with a brown shade eyeshadow, and she fills it in as well into her eye. So we'll go ahead and use the fluorescent one. This one is in specific Floral and Greeting Phoenix makeup palette. This is gold brown. I'll go ahead and use this brown shade right here on the bottom and just follow my waterline right underneath to blend the eyeliner as well as the shadow together. I'm going to take a smaller brush. Then she takes more Q-tips and she goes and cleans up everything that is excess to make everything look nicely snatched. Do you see how thin my skin is? Like every type of thing that I do to it, it just turns to like a red rash. Literally just wiped off a little bit and it's like a rash on my face now. Guess we'll just need to use concealer. She also cleans off the top portion as well to make sure everything is nicely neat. I think the eyes are pretty on point. We'll see what she does with her face. Alright, now she goes in with a concealer. I'll go ahead and add in the concealer where I think is most necessary, like the scabs around here. And then she uses a sponge to blend everything in. I'm looking like a little ghost right now. Alright, now she goes in with freckles. We'll go ahead and add those. Alright, I cannot find my freckle maker, what even is that? I will be using my brown pencil as well, and I'll just add in a couple of dots all over my... Alright, then she goes in with blush. What I have here, which is going to be similar, is this new Moira blush. This is Love Spell powder brush. This is in the shade Summer Bloom, which orangey and pinky, and also has a little bit of glitter, which I think is similar to what she's using. I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush and I'll go ahead and just add it on top of the apples of my cheeks like so, because she's making them angry faces, and applying it over. I want to take a smaller brush just to be a little bit more precise. I'm adding it a little bit onto my nose just to shrink it a little bit. It's a little wide. She does like to add in the blush a little bit closer to the eye, which adds in that under eye blush, and I actually dig it. This has been a new trend recently, so this just matches the look really nicely, and I think it really looks really good on Billie. I just want to contour my nose a little bit more just so that it matches a little bit more to Billie's. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a brown lip liner and I'll just contour it like so. I've been using products all over my face recently. Just another tip that I cannot live without. Love this hack. This is just going to thin out my nose a little better. It's not going to change the whole look, but it's definitely going to give a little bit more of that thinner nose effect. All right, then she goes in with Merit highlighter. I have a Lumi Glass from L'Oreal. Love this product. It's new. And look how beautiful the glow is. I'm just gonna add it onto the highlight areas, onto my nose. I love a highlight that looks like glass skin. All right, we're now going to fix our lips. I'm just gonna clean them off like she did with a Q-tip. Girl just cleans everything with a Q-tip. I live for that. Brush out my eyebrows, make sure that they're not messy. I have like redone my eyebrows throughout this whole video, like at least 3 times. They're ugly as hell right now. I really don't like them. But yeah, let's move on to the eyelashes. Let's not poke out the eye like Billie did. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. Okay, this thing is so scary. I hate doing curls on my lashes. It's so scary. We'll now put in my favorite mascara. I have this one by Calorie, and she used the one that is from Merit. Cleaning it off so it's not too clumpy. What a silent tutorial, because I'm very focused, you guys. I'm very focused. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm not minding how my eyes are looking. Like I told you guys that I don't like the black waterline, but I'm looking mysterious. I'm looking, am I the drama? I am the drama. No, I'm not the drama. Wow, I kind of like it. It's not an everyday look. It is for Billie, but like, wow, it's kind of cool. I think this will be really, really nice on brown eyes as well. If you have brown eyes and you try this look, let me know down below if you like it. I think it will look sick on your eyes. It will look so cool. I think I already added like 3,100 codes. 3,100 on my lashes, but I love a good mascara application. I'm gonna go ahead and on the bottom as well. My bottoms are too long sometimes. I'm scared to add mascara on there because it kind of looks like a spider. Like, do you see this? Kind of looks bad. I don't like to. Just gonna add a little bit to match, but I'm not going to focus on my lower lashes. Let's do a close-up on the eyes. Let me try to do the Billie Eilish stare. It doesn't work. All right, so the queen herself have used the lip stain from Statue, and I think I have the similar shade right here. Which one is Mauve? Mauve. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and outline my lips with it like she did. No, I think we have 2 different shades. Never mind. Mine is a little bit darker, but she has more of that reddish tint. There you go. I'm just gonna let that dry. We'll peel this off. All right, it's time to peel them off. So satisfying. I love a tip like this. What? This is so pretty. Gonna do a little bit of a lip liner. I wanted to come in here and share my makeup look. This is what I did in terms of my makeup and how it worked out with Billie Eilish's techniques. She is a queen. I love everything that she does. She's so beautiful. She's so talented, and this is just really, really a look, and I'm glad she could pull it off. I don't know if I could pull it off. I'm not feeling too confident with this makeup. I think a lot of people with big eyes can pull it off just like she did. I have raised my camera up so that I could look up at you and have my eyes as open as hers, like right here. Guys, I got the name. It's called a Sampaku, and it's where you have more white underneath your eyes, and in general it's just like bigger eyes, and it just looks a little bit more different than mine. So yeah, that's why I have raised you up so that you could visualize it as if I am Billie Eilish with Sampaku eyes. Thank you again for watching this video. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have tried it or you will be trying it, and let me know if you have brown eyes or light brown or even blue or green eyes like I do. Let me know if you think this will look good on you, because right now I'm kind of freaked out, but also I think it kind of is a vibe. It is a vibe in some occasions. There's a lot of things that she did that I probably would not do, or the things that I would do and she didn't. Like, where's the foundation? Why are we doing the eyes first? You know, but of course, it's preferences. This is the way she does her everyday makeup. I'm not going to judge her, obviously, but yeah, I am kind of obsessed, and I'm so glad it turned out like this. Like, it looks pretty cool. Like, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'm super excited for you to try this. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other ideas for me to try. I said that I will be turning my content into something else very, very soon, and I'm super excited for that. But in general, I will be still very active on here. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on and leave a like on this video so that I get to upload a lot more and you don't miss out any of my uploads. Thank you again. I really hope you have a good one, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you on the next one. Bye.